is Michelle Haryono and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to do a simple makeup and outfit for church. This look is clean, natural and pretty, perfect for Sunday morning. At the end, I will also show you my dress and hairstyle. Let's start. Okay, let's start with makeup. First, I wash my face with facial wash. This helps to clean the skin and make the makeup last longer. After washing, dry your face gently with a towel. Next, I use toner, tap in softly on my skin and wait until it's dry. Like this. This is my toner. I'll use it. You can tap, tap, tap and use in your skin. Then I apply a foundation. You can use a small amount and blend it with a sponge. And just apply to your face like this. To make it perfect, you can use in your neck too. Okay. After that I use powder to make my face look smooth and not oily. Now I use my eyeshadow. It's like maybe brown or pink color or soft natural look. I want to use like this. I think it's gonna be natural. Then I add blush on my cheek to make my face look fresh and happy. This is can be eyeshadow and also blush on. I will use this to make it more natural and look fresh. Just take it slowly. Now I curl my eyelashes to make my eyes look bigger. Like what you see, my eyes is so small. I using it. Ten seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, I use mascara to make my eyelashes darker and longer. And also it can make a bigger. Like this. Then I spray a little setting spray so my makeup stays longer. You need to wait until it dry. Just tap to make it faster. For the last, I add a bit of highlighter on my nose and cheek for a natural glow. And then my simple Sunday glow makeup is ready. Now let's move on to the outfit. For church, I like to wear a simple dress like this. It looks polite, comfortable, and pretty. And this is my outfit. I'm also wear a small earrings, just a simple accessories, and also wear my necklace. And now I will curl my hair a little to make it soft and neat. Before I curl my hair, I forgot to use this. This is lip cream to make my lips look pretty. It's to make my hair look more beautiful. Just make it slowly. It's gonna be like this. Guys, before you using a hair straightener, or sure it's hot enough, but be careful, don't touch the metal part because it's very hot. Then, like what I do now, I'm just curl my hair slowly to make it soft and pretty. Why I choose this style? Because my hair is bob layer, so you can look to follow. Now I'm ready for church. Makeup, outfit, and hair all done, and I'll use my Harry Potter bag. So that's my Sunday glow makeup and outfit tutorial for church. It's easy, quick, and makes your look fresh and confident. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next Sunday. Bye bye.